Let's talk about the third and final property, which is metallic and non-metallic property. Elements in the periodic table are classified into four main kinds, which are metals, nonmetals, metalloids or semi-metals, and noble gases. Let's compare between metals and nonmetals. The first point of comparison is the outermost energy level. The outermost energy level in metals contains less than 4 electrons, but in nonmetals it contains more than 4 electrons and less than 8 electrons. During chemical reactions, metals tend to lose electrons and change into positive ions, while nonmetals tend to gain electrons and change into negative ions. Examples: for metals, sodium Na11, magnesium Mg12, aluminum Al13. For nonmetals, we have fluorine F9, chlorine Cl17. Let's talk about metalloids or semi-metallic elements. What's meant by metalloids? They are the elements which have the properties of both metals and nonmetals. Note the following. It is difficult to know the metalloids from their outermost electrons. This is a give reason question. Give reason 4. It is difficult to know the metalloids from their outermost electrons because they vary from 3 to 6. The number of electrons varies from 3 to 6 electrons. So we have to memorize them. We have only 4 examples for metalloids. Bromine, its outermost energy level contains 3 electrons. Silicon, its outermost energy level contains 4. Arsenic, its outermost energy level contains 5 electrons. Trillium, its outermost energy level contains 6 electrons. Let's talk about graduation of metallic and non-metallic property in the periodic table. First, let's talk about them in periods. Each period starts with strong metal in group 1A. Then the metallic property decreases gradually by increasing the atomic number. So metallic property decreases in periods by increasing the atomic number, till we reach metalloids. Then the non-metallic property appears and increases by increasing the atomic number. So non-metallic property increases in periods as we go from left to right by increasing the atomic number, till we reach the strongest non-metals in group 7A or 17, just before group 0, which is noble gases. But in groups, we will talk about metallic groups such as group 1A and 2A. In groups, the metallic property increases gradually as we go from the top to the bottom. And this is an important give reason question. Metallic property increases in groups by increasing the atomic number. This is because the atomic size increases. As we go from up to down in groups, the atomic size increases, and hence the metallic property also increases. For example, in group 1A, cesium is considered the most metallic element in group 1A, while lithium is considered the least metallic element in group 1A. In groups, but in this time we will talk about non-metallic groups such as group 7A. The non-metallic property decreases gradually as we go from the top to bottom. Give reason 4. This is because the electronegativity decreases. In group 7A or 17, fluorine is considered the strongest nonmetal in group 7A, while iodine is considered the least non-metallic element in group 7A.